In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Freshdesk with your website. This step-by-step guide will show you how to effortlessly add Freshdesk's robust support widget to your site, improving your customer service and making it more interactive. Let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to freshdesk.com. This is where everything begins, and once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, no worries. You can sign up with ease by clicking the sign up button and following the prompts. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll notice a gear icon labeled Admin Settings. Go ahead and click it. This section is your gateway to customizing your Freshdesk experience, so let's see what's next. Under the Channels category, look for the option labeled Chat or Support widget. This is where the magic happens, as these widgets allow your customers to contact you easily and efficiently. Depending on whether you're using Freshdesk Support or FreshChat, you will want to select either the Widgets tab or navigate directly to Chat widget. Once you have reached your widget customization page, it's time to get creative. You'll have several customization options to suit your brand and your users' needs. Choose the colors that match your website's theme, decide on the greetings that will welcome your users, select agent avatars, and consider where you want the widget to appear on your site. Typically, people opt for either the bottom right or bottom left placement. Customization doesn't stop with appearance. You can also enable or disable various features according to your preferences. This includes activating or deactivating FAQs, contact forms, and ticket submissions. These options can help streamline your support workflow and provide a customized experience for your website's visitors. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to integrate the widget with your website. You'll see an option labeled Embed Code. Click on this tab to access the HTML embed script. Carefully copy this script as it's the vital piece of code that will bring the Freshdesk widget to your site. Now that you have your embed script, the next step is to paste it into your website's HTML. It's important that you place this code just before the closing as tag in your website's HTML structure. This ensures that the widget will load correctly on your site. If your website is built using a content management system such as WordPress, Joomla, or Wix, you'll need to paste this script into the site's footer or a custom code section of your CMS. Each platform will have a slightly different method for this, but typically it's a straightforward process of accessing the footer or custom HTML settings and pasting the code there. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully integrated Freshdesk with your website, enhancing your support capabilities and improving your customers' experience. Give yourself a pat on the back and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.